Hi everyone, welcome to Yoga and You. I'm Sanjana Prasad. In today's practice, we're going to learn how to open up, release and relax your hamstrings. You'll need 2 blocks and a yoga strap for practice. If you don't have blocks or a strap, you can use 2 thick books, a dupatta or a towel to help support you in your practice. So let's get them ready and begin. So you're going to start on all fours. We're going to start with a mild cat-camel just to release the spine. As you inhale, look forward, arch the back. Exhale, draw your belly in, round the back. 2 more. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, round the back. Inhale, lift up. This time, as you exhale, tuck your toes and go into downward facing dog. You're going to keep the knees bent in downward dog. Allow your belly to go towards the thighs and let's pedal the feet. So you release one by one down into the mat. Here itself, you're trying to release the back of the legs all the way from your hip down to your hamstrings and to your calf muscles. 2 more. 2 and 1. Following inhalation, you can keep the knees bent and then step the right foot forward between your palms. Place the left knee down on the mat. Now, using the blocks on either side of the foot will make this posture a little bit more accessible. You can release the back foot comfortably on the floor, and as you exhale, you're going to straighten your right knee, shift your weight back. When you do this, try not to sit on the back leg completely. The back, knee and hip are still in one line. So the blocks are there to support you. You can even increase the height of the block so that you're not rounding over this way. Keep the spine long, and once you're comfortable, you can reduce the height of the block. We're going to do this dynamically a few more times. So inhale, drop the foot down, lift the chest up. Exhale, try and stick your belly to your thigh. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, one more time, inhale and exhale, and let's hold this here for 1. If it's very comfortable, remove the blocks, palm on the floor, head down towards the knee. 2, 3, 4, 5. Bend the knee, move forward. Let's tuck the back toes, exhale, go back into downward facing dog. As you inhale, step the left foot forward between your palms, right knee goes on the mat. Bring in the blocks if you need to. We're going to do this dynamic 5 times. Inhale, exhale, lift the toes up. Flexing the foot is important to allow the back of the leg to open up. Inhale, exhale, 2, inhale, shift the weight back, 2 more. Use your exhalation to relax the muscles. Last one, inhale, exhale, shift back. You can remove the blocks. There'll be a slight twist in your upper body so your hips are squared to the floor, and go down for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Lunge forward again. This time, instead of stepping back, you're going to tuck the toes, move your hands forward, step forward with your feet slightly apart, blocks in front of you, highest side up. Inhale, look forward, arch your back, knees are bent. Exhale, round your back. Inhale, chest up. Exhale. Last one. Inhale, chest up. Exhale. Now, inhale, lift the chest up, and you're going to reduce the height of the block. Rest your belly on your thigh and work with your knees. So as you inhale, see if you can straighten the knees a little. Exhale, bend the knees. Throughout, you're maintaining contact between the belly and the thigh. Inhale, exhale. 1, inhale, exhale. 2. If it's comfortable, place the blocks down. Inhale, exhale. Let's do 2 more, still comfortable. Remove the blocks, palms on the floor. Inhale, exhale. Last one, drop the head down, straighten out the leg, exhale and deepen your posture. Full forward fold, hold it here. 1, 2 and 3. Bend the knees slightly and take a step back with your left foot. Place the heel down, foot is turned out slightly, about 45 degrees. From here, you're going to try and straighten through the right leg into Parshva Uttanasana. You can always bring the blocks back on either side to support you. Take a breath in, exhale, fold forward. Common tendency here is to open the hip to one side and go down. Make sure your hips are squared to the floor. So the left hip is also coming down towards the floor. Head down and hold. 1, 2 and 3. Inhale, lift the head up, remove the blocks, exhale, step your left foot forward, knees can be soft here, and take a step back with the right foot. Place the heel down, foot turns out slightly. Take an inhale here, use your exhalation to straighten out the left leg, get the belly, chest down towards the thigh, hold. 1, 2 long smooth breaths, hip going down to the floor, not opening, and 3. Let's bend the knee, remove the blocks. This time you're going to bend the left knee slightly and step the left foot back. Let's go back into downward dog. And as you exhale, let's bring the knees down, coming into Vajrasana. Take your arms back, interlock the fingers, and let's release the spine. After all of that forward folding, just opening up a bit. Chest up, chin up. Exhale, relax. You can sit to one side and stretch both your legs forward. Now, first bring awareness to the lower back. If you feel like you're rounding the lower back, please use a block or cushion underneath your hips so you get a little bit of an elevation here. We're going to first practice Janu Shirshasana. So bend your right knee, get the heel in towards the groin, knee comes on the floor. If the knee doesn't rest on the floor, again slide a block or cushion here. Keep the left toes lifted up, toes towards you. Inhale, lift your arms up, interlock the fingers, stretch up. As you exhale, lengthen forward, go down, reach for the foot, head down towards the knee. Now, if this is not happening for you right now, you can use the strap, loop it around the foot and just stay right here. Intention is to keep the spine long, so bringing the chest towards the knee rather than just forehead towards the knee. Okay? Lengthen the spine and see if you can walk forward bit by bit by bit, go all the way down. If this is too easy for you, to challenge yourself, you can place the block behind the foot and reach across and over the block, stay. 1, 2, 3. Interlock the fingers, inhale, lengthen, come up. Exhale, bring your arms down. Let's switch to the other side. So extending the right leg forward, left heel towards the groin. When you do this, make sure your hip is not turning to the side, your hip is still turned forward. So as you inhale, lift your arms up. There will be a slight twist, and as you exhale, lengthen forward, go down, hold it here, breathe. You can use the block to challenge yourself. For 1, keep lifting the toe up to feel that opening in the calf and hamstring. 2 and 3. Interlock the fingers, inhale up, exhale, bring your arms down. You're going to stretch both your legs forward, keep the feet flexed for Paschimottanasana. Again, be mindful of the lower back, keep lifting up. Inhale, lift your arms up, interlock the fingers, stretch up.
Exhale, start lengthening from the lower back. So draw your lower belly in. The point of drawing the lower belly in is to relax the muscles in the lower back. Extend forward, 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 forward. Stay there. Toes up to focus on the hamstrings for 1, for 2 and 3. Interlock the fingers, inhale up, exhale, bring your arms down. We keep saying toes up because when you lift the toes up, your quads start to engage and that allows your hamstrings to relax. So that way you get more opening at the back of the legs. Now you're going to shift forward slightly. You can remove the block, lie down on your back. Keep both your knees bent. I have my strap ready here, looped. Now I'm going to slide my foot into this loop and extend my foot all the way up towards the ceiling. Even when I extend the foot up, my heel is going up to the ceiling, toes towards my face. Walk your hands higher, as close to the foot as you can, without lifting your chin or rounding the back. So if you can only stay here, stop here. Exhale, draw the belly in, start moving your leg towards you. If you feel this is really comfortable, you can extend the bottom leg down towards the floor. Hold it here, breathe. 1, 2 and 3. Slowly release. Walk your hand down. You can remove the strap from the foot. Keep the right knee bent. Lift the left leg up. First loop around the foot and extend the leg up towards the ceiling. Go step by step. Flex the foot, heel up towards the ceiling. Start walking your hands up and as you exhale, your thigh is coming towards your belly. If you feel that's comfortable, you feel okay, you can extend the bottom leg down on the mat. 1, try and press the lower leg on the floor. 2, one side might feel a little different from the other, don't force it. And 3. Slowly relax, remove the loop and bring your leg down. Give a nice hug to the knees, in towards the chest. You can rock side to side, slightly forward and back, releasing the spine. Bring your feet down and settle into a comfortable Shavasana. So that was your practice for relaxed, healthy and happy hamstrings. I really hope it was useful and you enjoyed it. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.